Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a moment in every person's life when they stand at the edge of fear. It feels uncomfortable, uncertain, and sometimes even overwhelming. But what if I told you that the life you dream of, the success you desire, exists just on the other side of that fear? Fear is powerful. It whispers doubts in your mind. It tells you you're not ready, you're not good enough, or what if you fail? And many people listen. Many people step back. Many people choose comfort over courage. But the truth is, comfort has never created greatness. Success does not come to those who wait for the perfect moment. It comes to those who decide to move forward despite the fear. Fear is not a stop sign. It is a signal. A signal that you are about to grow, about to step into something bigger than yourself. Think about it. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are now. They had doubts, they had fears. They had moments where quitting felt easier than continuing. But they made a different choice. They chose to believe in possibility more than they believed in fear. You see, fear will always exist, but courage is what you build when you take that first step anyway. And then another. And another. Each step weakens fear and strengthens your confidence. Until one day, what once terrified you becomes the very thing that defines your success. Failure. Yes, it might happen. But failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Every setback teaches you something. Every mistake shapes you. Every challenge prepares you for the next level of your journey. So, don't wait for fear to disappear. It won't. Instead, learn to walk through it. Speak even when your voice shakes. Start even when you feel unprepared. Try even when you're unsure of the outcome. Because on the other side of fear, there is growth. There is confidence. There is power. And most importantly, there is success. Remember this, your dreams are not waiting for you to feel ready. They are waiting for you to be brave. So today, make a decision. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Decide that fear will no longer control your life. Decide that you will rise above doubt. Decide that you will take action. Because success truly begins where fear ends. Fear is something every human being experiences at different stages of life. It is not a sign of weakness, but a natural response to the unknown and uncertain situations we face. From childhood to adult, fear continues to appear in different forms. Sometimes it is fear of failure, sometimes fear of rejection, and sometimes fear of not being good enough. Many people misunderstand fear and treat it as a barrier that stops them from moving forward. In reality, fear is not meant to stop you, to test you and show you how strong you can become if you choose to face it. When a person decides to stay in fear, they slowly limit their own potential. They begin to avoid challenges and opportunities because they are afraid of what might happen. This creates a comfort zone where everything feels safe but nothing grows. Life in a comfort zone may feel easy for a while, but it also keeps a person stuck in the same place without progress. Growth never happens in comfort because growth requires change, and change always brings uncertainty, which often creates fear. So in a way, fear is directly connected to growth and success. The most important thing to understand is that fear itself is not the problem. The real problem is the decision to stay controlled by it. Every successful person has faced fear at some point in their journey, but they did not allow it to stop them. Instead, they used it as motivation to push themselves forward. When you start to see fear as a challenge rather than a threat, your mindset begins to change. You realize that every time you face fear, you become stronger, more confident, and more prepared for the next challenge in your life. It is also important to recognize that fear often comes from overthinking and imagining negative outcomes. The mind creates scenarios that may never happen, and this creates unnecessary stress and hesitation. When you focus too much on what could go wrong, you forget to think about what could go right. This is why taking action is so powerful, because action breaks the cycle of fear. Even a small step forward can reduce fear and build confidence. The more action you take, the less control fear has over you. Another key point is that fear can be a guide. It often shows you the areas where you need to grow the most. The things that scare you are usually the things that have the greatest potential to change your life. Whether it is starting a new career, speaking in front of people, or trying something completely new, these moments of fear are actually opportunities in disguise. If you avoid them, you miss the chance to grow. But if you face them, you unlock new possibilities. In the end, fear will always be a part of life, but it does not have to control your decisions. You have the power to choose how you respond to it. You can either step back and stay the same, or you can move forward and transform your life. The choice is always yours, and the moment you decide to face your fears is the moment your journey towards success truly begins. In conclusion, fear is not your enemy. It is a part of your journey that prepares you for something greater. It may try to hold you back, but it only has power if you allow it to control your decisions. The moment you choose courage over comfort, you begin to unlock your true potential. Every step you take despite fear brings you closer to the life you desire and the success you deserve. Remember that growth begins when you step beyond what feels safe and familiar. So trust yourself, believe in your strength, and keep moving forward no matter how difficult it may seem. Because in the end, success is not about having no fear. It is about rising above it and proving to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever imagined.